Here we have the Denon AHD 7100s. These are the successor to the AHD 7000, which were basically a rebadged Fostex headphone. These were completely redesigned by Denon and built in-house by Denon, and have since been superseded by the AHD 7200s. And have gone back to a more Fostex-like design. Quite like the look and feel of these. They're very comfortable, but sonically I think I prefer the AHD 7000. This particular pair, I've had new drivers installed. I use Chinese 3-edge nanofiber drivers, which are more like the original Fostex drivers used in the AHD 7000, and to be honest, I prefer them to the stock Denon drivers. And the bass on these is very good. It packs a good punch, but it's very precise and not overblown at all. High end could be a bit better, and I find them a little bit on the bright side, but overall they're very well balanced, and I can use them for long periods of time without too much ear fatigue. They come with two cables, a long 3-meter cable with a quarter-inch plug on. I just plug in on each driver. The other cable is a shorter cable with a 3.5mm plug on, which I don't have. And they all also come in a nice box with a nice stand. We can do a comparison of the drivers. This is the original AHD 7100 driver. Believe it's not a Fostex make. I think they make their own drivers for this particular one. This is the original Fostex driver for the AHD 7000. And this is the Chinese driver made for the Denons. It's very similar in design to the original Fostex driver, and like I say, I think I prefer it to the Denon driver that they use for this model. Have a quick look inside the ear cup there. It's all wood, not a lot else going on in there. So there you have it, the Denon AHD 7100s. If you can pick them up cheap on eBay, definitely worth it. If you've got a pair that's got a blown driver, it's worth trying to change the driver for one of the Chinese ones, because they definitely sound pretty good. Thanks for watching.